China's stock market crash. We'll look into these stocks that are listed in the US but are situated in China. None of these companies have been spared in the recent crash or meltdown. We see each of these companies had a massive drop in stock price caused by a lot of factors. The number one factor is the Chinese government's crackdown, stepping in and asserting their authority in a lot of areas. And the recent ones is the Chinese government restricting the time children spend on games. I'm like so speechless. We also see the US government calling for stricter reviews and checks on Chinese companies listed in the US, and these Chinese ADR stocks are also impacted by the downdraft of a lot of bogus or not so financially sound Chinese companies. The most recent one today, 9th of September, the Chinese official actually came out saying foul stuff about investing in metaverse. Metaverse means something like virtual. Yeah, right. Think about anything online means virtual. Yes, even the news article I was reading is in the metaverse. What the Okay, I'll quickly go through the current state of the charts for these 5 companies. Right, I wanted to do this yesterday but didn't manage to because it was too late already. I had a lot of things to be done. But which is good because in MOOMOO I mentioned that in the trading platform I mentioned that yesterday night will open low and end high, and true enough it opened low and ended with a green bar, and the wick here for the candlestick is not too bad. To be honest, I see today will continue to move upwards, especially with the strong HSI Hang Seng Index showing. We should be retesting here 114 and hopefully can peep out a little bit and don't get shot down because I wanted to see it push up the Bollinger Band here. So I already pre-draw the lines. I removed the Fibonacci already because probably not required. Go look at my previous video for the Fibonacci's if you want to. Okay, so for the Bollinger Band right now, it seems like a squeeze, but to be honest, you can see this thing going up already. So which means that if the green bar continues to go, the chart continues to move up, the Bollinger Band will turn into a bulge immediately and it will look like a lung. Yeah, it like this. A U shape, and then the bulge will start to form and hopefully can break through this few resistance right now. This is the support. I don't think it will reach the support FUTU, so we hope that it can break 115 tonight. Alright, okay, so one of my viewers actually requested for BILIBILI. So I like BILIBILI because they have some cartoons and I watch it, Chinese cartoons, like they are like pretty nice. Okay, I will just do this Fibonacci first. Okay, how does this look like? This looks pretty cool. Seems to be on the right track. It's just that it is a much bigger Fibonacci. Okay, so we can see that it's almost reaching this 85 resistance already. So right now in consolidating here, hopefully you can go up to this area. For the Bollinger Band, again this is going to a bulge already. So you can see this is slightly ahead of FUTU. So FUTU is just forming. This thing is already like the third candlestick into the bulge. Okay, this is the midpoint of the Bollinger Band. So managed to, before it touches, it goes up already. So I thought it would touch, but it didn't. Okay, so it went up. Very good, very good. This is a very nice with a much shorter wick. Will we see it retest 85? High chance, highly possible. Okay, let's draw some trend lines right now. Moving averages, we take a look first. It's still on the uptrend. So this line here, right, this line here is very important. This is the moving average 250, so it's still on the uptrend, slightly below 250 right now, but it bounces off. Oh yeah, look at here. Okay, it opened at the 30 MA, should reach 250 and then probably might pullback when it hits the MA60. We'll see about that. Okay, let's go to MACD. MACD is still pretty good, reaching to be 0 once it reaches just shy of 0. Okay, looks good if you ask me, just from down to up, so it should continue uptrend with the MACD. Very quickly, let's take a look at how is it to be. Alright. And this is the line already, so I didn't redraw another one. So this is the first resistance to break, which is about $85.60, and then you go to this. Okay, based on the HSI tonight, pretty good. Looks to be in good shape. Okay, time is running short. It's already 5 p.m, so I have to hurry up. Okay, let's do for Alibaba. Quite interesting. Just for information, I added into Alibaba. I will not do the Fibonacci because there's no change. All right. So watch my previous video if you want to know the Fibonacci levels. And then I drew more detailed trend lines and of course the MAs. All right. So we can see this is the midpoint of the Bollinger Band. So right now this is turning to a squeeze. But that's good news. Okay. So we are right now below the mid band. Okay, this is the SMA 30. We should be able to hit the SMA 30 pretty soon if my estimation is correct. Okay, the SMA of course is still a downtrend. So the the MA 250 is a downtrend, so not good. But the MACD wise is pushing up. So long-term trend is of course downtrend. We can see it has been a prolonged downtrend for I think about a year. Yep, about a year. Okay, so I think probably the reversal is coming soon because why? Okay, I'll remove the MA, remove the MACD first. Okay, we can see this is the support and resistance. Okay, so it's midway. It went through here a little bit, and then this is like the 177 I was talking about. It went down. So today we will see it within here. Could it push up? Yes, it's possible. Why? Because we have interesting. If you want to say this is a morning star, sure. You want to say this is the spinning top, sure. You want to say this is even a doji, sure, no problem. Whatever it is, this means what? Means that, alright, they try to push it down, cannot push down, then they don't want you to buy, to all rush in to buy, huh? Okay, based on going back to a squeeze, right? Yes, we could possibly see some real reversal coming soon. Okay, anyway, I already saw, and I feel that the W will still form, and then we should be seeing Alibaba coming to this level or minimum at this level. Of course, I prefer it to go at this level for the true W to form, which is about my valuation of $209. That was before any further report came out. Okay, that's for Alibaba. Okay, now the last one, let's do it. Xiao Peng. Interesting. Okay, not bad. I like the way the thing is going. Okay, so the high is here. It's not been a long time though. Okay, so for Xiao Peng, Fibonacci at 38.2%, resting right now. Think it's something like a consolidation. You can see the range is going smaller, so meaning the squeeze is coming. Okay, the Bollinger Band, the squeeze is coming, and the explosive move will be coming. So I'm not sure why. I thought they just released their financial report not long ago. But of course, this could be a long squeeze or consolidation for like 20 candlesticks or more. Who knows? Because I did the valuation before. I'm not sure. Did I do it as a video? Okay, but the valuation for Xiao Peng is not so bad one. So if you ask me right, no, I will not think that the squeeze after that it will go down. In fact, I think after the squeeze it will run up. Why? Because they should be turning to profit very soon. Very soon meaning I think within 2 years they should be turning to profit, or it will show very good signs of profit very soon. Okay, and if you ask me, although NIO is getting all the limelight, I would think that Xiao Peng in terms of pricing, valuation, and risk to reward ratio, Xiao Peng will be better. Okay, let me draw some trend lines. Anyway, the squeeze is coming, so I would take it that you'll be within these 3 lines. These 4 lines here, so we will be within the Bollinger Band. I don't think the burst will be coming so soon. And then based on the candlestick, okay, decent. That should be slightly going up. But if you ask me, I think probably Xiao Peng will be like this, consolidation mode. Okay, so there you have to have patience. I think I should buy some Xiao Peng and keep it for long term. Okay, so just for information, I probably high chance like 80-90% I will buy Xiao Peng for long term because of this consolidation, and I feel that they will go into profit soon, and it should jump up to a few $100s once that happens.